Welcome back to the Grand Motorhome. Today, we're stepping into something absolutely insane, a motorhome so massive, so powerful, and so luxurious that it completely redefines what's possible on wheels. Get ready for the 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 Double Decker, a $6 million rolling palace on 12 wheels. Built with the heavy-duty engineering excellence of Scania AB, this beast isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury fortress designed for ultimate comfort, power, and presence. From the very first glance, the Titan 12x12 dominates everything around it. This machine features an incredible 12-wheel drive system, delivering unmatched traction, stability, and load distribution. The double-decker structure gives it a towering presence, while the aggressive exterior design makes it look more like a futuristic command vehicle than a traditional RV. The front fascia is bold and commanding, with a massive grille, ultra-bright LED light bars, and reinforced bumpers. The body is constructed with high-strength materials, designed to handle extreme conditions while maintaining a premium aesthetic. Massive all-terrain tires, extended wheel arches, and side-mounted storage compartments enhance both functionality and style. On top, you'll find a rooftop deck complete with seating areas, making it perfect for relaxing while enjoying breathtaking views. But now, let's step inside this rolling palace. The moment you enter the Scania Titan 12x12, you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The lower level features a grand living area with premium leather seating, designer furniture, and a layout designed for both relaxation and entertainment. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel open and expansive. At the center of the lounge is a massive smart display that controls everything, from lighting and climate to entertainment and security. The seating is modular, allowing you to transform the space into a lounge, dining area, or social hub. Moving toward the kitchen, the Titan delivers a full high-end culinary experience. You'll find professional-grade appliances, a large induction cooktop, built-in ovens, a full-size refrigerator, and a premium beverage station. The countertops are crafted from luxury materials, combining durability with elegance. Storage is seamlessly integrated, ensuring a clean and modern look while maximizing space. Now let's head upstairs. The upper deck is where this motorhome truly becomes a rolling palace. This level is dedicated to private living and relaxation. The master suite features a king-size bed, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic views that make every destination feel like a luxury resort. Additional sleeping areas provide space for guests, each designed with comfort and privacy in mind. The bathroom takes luxury to another level, featuring a spa-style design with a rainfall shower, modern vanity, and premium fixtures. Every detail is crafted to deliver a 5-star experience. But that's not all. The Titan 12x12 also includes a private lounge and entertainment area on the upper level, perfect for relaxing, socializing, or enjoying the view from above. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The entire vehicle is powered by an advanced smart system, allowing you to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security with ease. Voice commands and touchscreen panels make everything seamless and intuitive. Underneath all this luxury lies serious power. The Scania Titan 12x12 is expected to feature a high-performance diesel-electric or hybrid powertrain, delivering massive torque and reliable performance despite its enormous size. The intelligent 12-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction across all terrains. Advanced suspension systems and stability control technologies provide a surprisingly smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough surfaces. Off-grid capability is another standout feature. With integrated solar panels, high-capacity battery storage, and intelligent energy management, this motorhome is designed for extended independence. Whether you're in the mountains, desert, or remote landscapes, the Titan keeps you fully equipped. Now let's talk about the price. At around $6 million, the 2026 Scania Titan 12x12 Double Decker sits among the most exclusive motorhomes in the world. Limited production ensures that only a select few will ever experience this level of luxury and power. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a palace on wheels, a luxury fortress, a next-level travel experience unlike anything else. So the big question is, would you live in a 12x12 double-decker motorhome like this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for being part of the Grand Motorhome family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane luxury motorhome tour. See you in the next video.